Summer is one of the busiest times of year in Northern Virginia real estate, and for good reason. Families are moving before the school year, relocation buyers are in town for new jobs, and the weather makes it easy to show homes at their best. But the Fairfax County numbers reveal a few surprises about what really happens once the temperatures climb. Between 2022 and 2025, Fairfax County averaged about 3,000 active listings each summer. Homes took a little longer to sell. The median days on the market was 4 days longer than in the spring, and they sold for roughly 101% of list price. The median sales price hovered around $725, which is still very strong, but slightly below spring highs. So while demand is healthy, the data shows that summer can be a more balanced season, not quite as frenzied as spring, but it's full of opportunity. Let's talk about why summer can be an excellent time to sell. Curb appeal peak. The trees are green, the lawns are lush, and outdoor spaces really shine, especially if your home has a deck, a patio, a pool, etc. Second, buyers relocating to the DC area for government or private sector jobs are typically looking in those summer months between June and August. So that fits perfectly with their move-in timeline. Third, longer daylight hours mean more flexible for showings and evening showings when homes look their best in golden light. So summer gives you a visual advantage and motivated buyers who are ready to move fast. Of course, summer isn't without its challenges. After the spring rush, some buyers experience fatigue. They've seen a lot of homes. They may become more price sensitive. Vacations can also thin buyer traffic, especially in July and August. And if the weather gets too hot, maintaining curb appeal from landscaping to fresh paint takes extra effort. So while activity is strong, strategy and presentation are still key. The best summer listings lean into lifestyle, highlight the outdoor entertaining spaces, the nearby trails, the community pools, and emphasize that move-in ready appeal. If you're listing in early summer, price realistically based on current comps, not spring peak. If you're later in the season, aim to be the best looking option in your price bracket to catch those last minute relocation buyers before fall sets in. Summer in Fairfax County is vibrant and full of opportunity. If you're thinking about selling, let's create a game plan that maximizes your home curb appeal and timing. I'm Christina Doherty, and I'll catch you next time.